Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making garlic bread pizza. So these pizzas are quick and easy to make, and you're only going to need about what you see on my counter right now. The bread you're going to use is Texas toast with garlic on it, which you can find in the freezer section. Comes in about an 8-pack, which means you can use as many of these as you want at a time, and you can feed one person to a few people if you want. So what we're going to do is take the Texas toast, put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, bring it back, and then we're going to add our toppings, which we're starting out with pizza sauce, which you can get out of a jar. And we're going to go ahead and put that on each one of the top. And then when you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and add other toppings. Now, as you're adding toppings, it's your choice. If you want to use like pepperoni or whatever, you can use it. You can use vegetables. It's all your choice. But we're going to start out after this with adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle it over the top. This will give it an extra flavor. And then when we're done with that, we're going to add mozzarella cheese to the top of this as well. And make sure you get a good even coating of cheese across the top. And then at this point, it's your choice what you put on top of it. If you want veggies, put veggies. If you want the pepperoni or you want mushrooms or you want whatever, just go for it. As long as you can fit it on top, it will work. Once you get everything on top of these, they're going to go back in the oven at 400 degrees for at least 5 minutes or until your cheese is melted and the toppings are all settled in. And then when you bring them back out, they're going to be ready to eat. And the great thing about this is it's good for like one person, or if you're trying to feed something to your kids for lunch or whatever. It's a quick and easy way to make something to eat. So as you can see, I'm adding pepperoni to mine. The good thing about this is there is just nothing about making this. It's so easy, it's so quick. You just put it all together, throw it in the oven, and you're done. And it's a real time saver if you need something really fast. So when it comes back from the oven, it's going to look something like this, and these are really great to eat. They have a great taste. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbook, which is available on Amazon and bookstores worldwide. Have a great day.